Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 9th Maths NCERT Chapter 1 Number Systems. Today from exercise 1.5, we'll study question 4. Represent root 9.3 on the number line. So let's quickly do it. When you get like this question, whatever you have under root, whichever number is given to you, that measurement you have to take it. So let's take it quickly. So 9.3, so we'll take 9.3 and you name it as point A and this is point B. You can extend the number line . Now, after taking, I took in centimeters, I am writing 9.3. centimeter. So, AB is 9.3 centimeter. Now, after taking whatever is asked of us, we'll take extra 1 unit more. So you can take extra 1 centimeter, and then you can name it as C. This is 1 centimeter. Now what we have to do is, now more than half of AC measurement we need. More than half of AC. So either you take it from C, so this is more than half. Either you take it from this side. This is also will be for AC. In AC, more than half of AC. Please remember, more than half of AC, not AB. So for AC point, you have to take more than half. That's why I'm taking from C here, more than half, and then draw the arc on both the sides. Now from C I had drawn the arc. Now you draw the arc from A. From A and you intersect that point. So after intersecting, we join both the points. Now we have got the midpoint. Midpoint, you can name it as O. Now AO and OC are equal. So now next what we have to do is, take your compass, keep on the midpoint, that is O, and measure either A or C. Either you take it on A or you also take it on C. Whichever side you are comfortable, you can take that side. Okay, see, both same measurement, AC and OA. OA and OC, both same measurement. So with the midpoint help and with the compass, we will draw the arc. Now after drawing the arc, now we come to the point B. B, remember, now this B, either you use the protractor and take the 90-degree measurement and draw the line, or if you have set square or a scale, you can draw the straight line, which will be of 90-degree up to the arc. So here, the point where intersects the arc, that will be the point D. Now, this BD is what? Our root 9.3. This we have to justify, or this we have to prove. The justification I'll teach you in another video. So now what we have to do is measure this BD. Measure the BD with your compass and from this point draw the arc and bring that measure on the number line. This point you can give E, and this is the point on the number line root 9.3. So this distance we bring it on the number line. So this is root 9.3. So we'll see the justification in the next video. Hope you understood. Thank you.